Welcome back to Scar Bodged Not Built. So in this episode of What We're Bodging, a little recap of what's been going on in May. Mainly been concentrating on getting the Supra finished. So we've got that all put together now. All the decals on. Panel lines. Rear lights. Still haven't decided on number plate yet. Need to get an exhaust on there. Maybe sort out a drag ring for it as well. I've also done a fitting video for the BT01 intercooler kits. The other things I want to do with the Supra is create some wheels for the front that are similar to the rear. Also on the side of wheels, I've also designed and printed a scale tyre rack for the garage. I've also been working on a painting guide for the intercooler kits. So to help paint the silicone joiners and the fins inside the cooler itself. So I've been working on that, so that should be up. I was also asked if I can build a custom RC car for someone. And I can't give too much information on what it is in case they see this as it's a bit of a surprise. But there's a bit of a clue. Those of you who know Utami will know exactly what it is, but it's going to have a bit of a twist on it. Now the weather's starting to get a bit better in England, I'm going to hopefully try and get the bodywork sorted out and get that painted. I also haven't forgot about testing the FDM printed and the resin printed wheels. Getting a chassis together for that. I'm thinking TT01 4-wheel drive. We'll see what happens. I know it's a bit of a short one, but if you want to have a look around the channel, if you haven't seen it yet, on how the wheels were designed and printed, how the intercooler kits are fitted, and the Supra build in more detail, consider subscribing. Like and share the video as well, and I'll see you in the next one.